Welcome to the next video. Now this video is going to cover the strategies section of the IM Mastery Academy IM Center. Once you've logged into the IM Center, you will find the strategies section from the menu. Once you click on that, it will show you all the different strategies that you have access to on the platform. Whether these are on the computer or on the phone, you have access to them. Depending on what package you have, you'll get different strategies that you can access. So with the Forex one, you have access to the harmonic scanner as part of your main package. You can purchase other packages as well from your back office, like Fabretta, Gold Cup, Levels, Pivots, Steady, DeLorean, and Bounce Back. You can access all of these and with additional purchase. There are also other ones like High Frequency Academy, which includes Liberty, Hourglass, digital currency one as well. So the harmonics scanner for the digital currency and Swipe Coin, which has a mobile phone app as well. We also have the IBO Academy, so if you decide to become a business owner, which will have tools for that at a later date. When you want to access things like the harmonic scanner, it will give you the link and you can click on it, which will open up the harmonic scanner for you to access. You use the same username and password to access this. To understand the harmonic scanner and how to use it, please feel free to refer to previous training videos that we have provided. This video is to cover how to access the strategies in the IM Mastery Academy IM Center. Okay, so if you have any problems, please refer back to us and we'll be able to help you. Thank you. Good thing I finished my recording my video. You're right. What's wrong?
What video?
I'm recording stuff because I've had to, because it's going